Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the front-end library React. Yes, React. React is crazy since Facebook used it, and now everybody try to learn React because it's in very demand. And if you're seeking for any job interview, then React is must in your profile. So the first challenge that everybody face within for any new technology is how to learn, how to make a hello world in it. Suppose you don't have npm or you don't know anything about React, so how to start? So don't worry, today we will start by without using Node npm. We'll just take simple HTML file and try to create our hello world program in React. Okay, let's start. So as you know, uh, we need to create HTML document. We need to add in it body, and that's it. So far it's so simple that we are not doing anything new apart from plain HTML. Just add one more title. Hello. Okay. So the next thing is how to add React in this HTML file. So just type adding React in existing HTML. Here it is. Okay, let's visit this one. Now we just need to add these scripts in our head. Okay, I added it. Very good. Just leave it. Now, next thing is to define a container element where our React code will be displayed. So I'm taking a div with ID root. You can take anyone, container or root element, something. So now start our main logic of React. We need to add script tag with type is equal to text slash people. Okay, before proceeding, I just want to tell you one thing. We have added three script CDNs. One is for React JS for the core component. One is React DOM to handle DOM, the virtual DOM of the page, and then the Babel. Because whatever we write in React, it's in JSX, which is simple to learn, simple to understand. But how browser will understand simple JSX? Need conversion from JSX to JavaScript. So Babel is there to convert it. However, it's not good for the production, but still we are using the hello world, so it's fine. Okay, next thing is we just want to print something in our React DOM dot render. Now first thing we need to write some JSX. I already told you it's just like a plain HTMLs. One and then the element where we need to plus use document.get element, but in my case I'm using query selector. Okay, so that's it. Let's try to run it. Here is my file. Okay, so I have opened my file and it's here. So if you still feel any challenge of creating the first Hello World program in React, I'm pasting my code in comments. So please have a look, try to start. We will go further in taking React more. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. I'll keep posting and will answer your questions. Thank you.